Hi, my name is Melissa Bolin, and I'm with the Employee Assistance Program at Florida State University. What I thought I'd like to do today is teach you about a mindfulness technique, one of my favorites, called the 5-4-3-2-1. It's a technique that you can use anywhere, at any time, as just a way to reconnect with the moment. It's also great to use if you're experiencing some anxiety or heightened emotions to bring you back down into the current moment. So let's get started. We're going to use our 5 senses, and I'll walk you through this activity to really kind of get back into our body. So go ahead and get comfortable in your environment. And let's start with our first sense. It's going to be our sense of sight. And I want you to look around the space that you're in and find 5 items that you can see. And I want you to mentally note one thing about each of them. So for instance, you may be sitting outside and notice that the sky is really a beautiful blue color. Or you may look up and notice that there's some big white puffy clouds and make a note of it and go on to the next item. So go ahead and take a moment and find 5 things that you can see and make a mental note about each one of them. The next sense that we're going to demonstrate is looking at things that you can touch. And I want you to reach out and touch them and tell me what they feel like. So for instance, right in front of me, I can feel my desk, which is nice and smooth and cool to the touch. So take a moment and reach out and touch 4 different things and make a mental note about what they feel like. Next, take a moment to hear what's happening in your environment and identify 3 different sounds that you can hear. The 4th sense is what you can smell. Take a moment and make note of 2 different things that you can smell. And last but not least, our last sense is our sense of taste. Take a moment to see if there's anything that you can taste. And maybe make a mental note of one thing you're thinking. Likely, nothing comes to mind right away, or maybe it's quick to fall back into the train of thought you were thinking of before. And so it does its job. It's a brief moment in time where you can connect with your body, connect with the space around you and the environment around you, and really have a moment to yourself. Thank you.